Okay, have all the squirrels gone suicidal out here today? Hello, Internet people. Welcome back to Motorcycle Vision. My name is Steve. We're about to go into October, and I'm starting my Christmas list early. But I assume that people who are watching this channel have at least a mild interest in motorcycles. So that being said, I'm going to read off what I've thought of so far for my Christmas list. And what I'm hoping is that you guys will give me some feedback and tell me what you think. So first of all, what I have on my bike is this JBL speaker. It's a Bluetooth speaker, and it works really, really well. Connects to my phone. My phone's connected to Pandora or Spotify or Sirius XM or something like that, and I'm listening to music until I get into a highway situation where I can't hear it at all. Other problem with this setup is telephone communications. It has the capability for me to answer the phone, but I can't answer the phone because I can't go tapping it while I'm on the highway, and I can't be screaming into the speaker, and I can't make out what they're saying back. So I located these products. You hook them to the side of your helmet. It's called a Sena. You know, it just dawns on me, this is my newest obsession. We went through the entire summer with the lights, and now we're going to start with sound systems. So I located this thing called the Sena. Now, Sena seems to make a helmet that's a Bluetooth-enabled helmet, but I don't think I want that. I think I'd rather have the device because I like my helmet. So anyway, and probably there are better, safer manufacturers of helmets who just do helmets. So anyway, you clip the Sena device to the side of the thing, then inside of the helmet you put in speakers and microphones, and then you can use your phone, you can play music inside your helmet, and so on. Questions I have about it. Number one, well, today my GoPro has a hardwired microphone. It's in my helmet. Can the Bluetooth talk to my GoPro 6? That way I don't have to have dual wiring and everything inside my helmet. Don't need multiple microphones. It's not a radio station. I'm not going, welcome to Motorcycle Vision. It's 72 degrees and 10 minutes past the hour right now. I'm not doing that. So my question is, can it talk to a GoPro 6? Second thing is, there's like all these different models. I don't need the motorcycle to motorcycle communications. I tend to ride alone mostly. When I do ride with people, generally they're going to some place that I've never been before. I'm not conversational. I'm just following you and trying to figure out where you're going. So, any thoughts? I don't want to drop a bundle on this thing, but I'd like to know. That's item number one. Item number two, I was thinking about putting on a second camera. I've seen some of the people, what they do is, they have a second camera mounted about there, and it's looking at them. And as you're riding, they seem to switch back and forth. Here's the rider, here's the view. Here's the rider, here's the view. Are you interested in that? I'm asking because it's kind of your channel as much as it's mine. I make content for you, but you consume the content. So if you're not interested, why bother? I thought about going to eBay and finding like a cheap used GoPro and setting that up. And maybe not, but you know, I'm nothing special to look at, so, you know, and even if you wanted to look at me, you're going to see my helmet. You're not really going to see me. You'll just see my helmet in the background behind me. But maybe you'd find that interesting. I don't know. Anyway, anybody done that? I think it's going to add complexity to the editing of my videos. Not really too crazy to have complexity in the editing of my videos, but I'll do it if you guys think it's better. So looking at two GoPro shoot alternative made me find alternative number 3. I found a camera called an Insta360. It's a 360 camera. And then what I'll be able to do is later on in editing, I'll be able to show you the sides and the other sides and up, down, and all these different views. Then I would only need one camera. And it's kind of a cool idea. feedback, this is where you come in. There is a girl that I saw who made a video, like a motorcycle vlog like this, but what she did was she put her GoPro on a stick, and she'd let go of her clutch, and she would hold the stick and ride and give you a view of herself riding, you know, from an external perspective, which was a great effect. But I don't think I'm going to offer you that, because that sounds dangerous. I'd rather have full control of my clutch when I need it, just to be safe. Anyway, that's some of my Christmas list. Here's another one. I've seen people now, in Facebook, I joined these groups, Honda Shadow groups, things like that. So I joined them, and my question is, on them I see little people put stickers, you know, on their bikes, personalizing them. A lot of what you think they are, the flames and things like that, blue, orange, pale, bright, whatever. Anybody done that? On the one hand, it kind of personalizes the bike. On the other hand, I don't know, it's just a waste of time to do it. You know, I call my bike the extremely high gloss black. Reason I do it is I put so much turtle wax on this bike. So much turtle wax. A fly tried to land on it, skidded off, and kept on going. So it always has that I just got washed look, because dirt doesn't seem to be able to adhere to it. I put so much onto it. It's funny, actually. Give me some ideas. What have you done to personalize your bikes? Now you know what I'm thinking of doing to mine. Also, my Christmas list. It's coming early. Yay. Is it me, or has anyone else noticed that squirrels have gone suicidal this particular season? Am I the only one who has noticed this? Wow, that's tight. So am I the only one who's noticed squirrels have gone suicidal? I mean, they're running in front of your car, they're running in front of your motorcycle, they're splattered all over the road. I mean, what is that about? Yesterday I tried to miss a squirrel, and I literally brought the car to a stop, and he stopped, and he just stared at me. I'm like, well, do something. Go left, go right. Do something. Look, see what I'm talking about? They're everywhere. And I know you're going to say, it's fall, they're gathering nuts. Well, duh! They're gathering nuts. Duh! But why are you running in front of cars? I mean, even if you're a squirrel and you don't understand, you would understand. Big thing that's loud coming directly at me. Get out of its way. Don't run directly in front of its path. What is wrong with these things? And I don't remember that previous years. I think they've gotten suicidal. For whatever reason, I think, you know, squirrels have turned suicidal. I think there's a squirrel coronavirus that turns them suicidal. That's what I think. I think all the squirrels need to go inside for like 30 days and social distance from cars. Squirrels have lost their minds. Squirrels have gone nuts. Ha! Yeah, that's what my daughter calls dad humor. The Christmas list so far: fire decals, second GoPro, an Insta 360, and a Sena with the helmet stuff, so I can have sound. So those are the 3 items I'm thinking about. 4 items. So those are the 4 items I'm thinking about. I'd love some feedback from you guys about what you're doing. Internet people, my name is Steve. You're listening to Motorcycle Vision. Every week I try to put out another piece of content for you to watch. Please subscribe, send me some comments, throw me a like, let me know what you think. Take care, ride safe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.